every living soul in the studio
makes whistles.
how to make whistle.
But that one doesn't whistle yet.
It is not a whistle yet, but I show the sister of it, where I had shown. This is the same thing. I'm just making something else, and this is already a whistle.
Szerettelek volna, jobb lett volna az én álmom helyén. Hagytam volna még itt a szerelem. Jobb lett volna az én álmom helyén. Hagytam volna még itt a szerelem. Esély a sárban a kapuba, lopott lónak, ott meglátszik a nyoma. Gyere babám, te se tetted a nyomát, ügyesre jár kötött hozzád. Gyere babám, te se tetted a nyomát, reál kötött hozzád.
Were you here, Sylvie?
Yes.
You met Paul Solner?
Yes.
What did you think?
He's crazy a little bit.
He's crazy a little bit. Got the left wing paper.
Yeah. My left wing weekly.
So, what are you making?
I'm making potato, but the main thing is in the bowl.
Yeah, what do we call this again?
Yeah, paprikás krumpli.
Oh, yeah.
Peter helped me.
Okay, as soon as I look
I'm
at the
late.
pot. Look at this.
De aztán kaptam ajánlatot gombára, de ezt már nem tettem. Hát nézd, a gulyásban is jól néz.
So Hannah, how do you like the food tonight?
Borzasztó. And there is
Kimi, how's the wine? How's the wine? Good?
For me, all is good.
Te ezt láttad?
Igen.
This is a project about Hans Christian Andersen with 3 Danish artists working here for an exhibition about it's commemorating his 200th anniversary of his birth, correct? I like your rolling pin. You couldn't find one here? No. Okay, that works. Stories? Prince and
It's a princess. And that's the prince in disguise and the princess. But as he might have done it.
so these are the pigs. This is more of the Hans Christian Andersen project.
Landscapes.
The landscapes. So what is this piece here? So he's in Italy now, huh? This is the Studio Vigo from Denmark, working on the Hans Christian Andersen project. The shadow?
But it's you only sing, you have to learn, and after that you can try to play. You have to form a letter S, you see, up and down in the rectangular in the middle.
Mhm.
You start here. And after them it works.
It is a typical part. This is beautiful.
That's funny. There's a toy.
Yeah, it's actually I'm beautiful.
There's a toy here.
Wanda, how
And does the pitch change when you put water in it?
Yeah, you can change the way. Ceramic percussion. Here's another one.
Okay, I'll turn it off.
But you could have some douche on the scooter. Ja, den här axeln.
So tell me, why don't you like to be filmed?
That's it. Exactly.
No, why?
Bad feeling.
You get self-conscious. And maybe you'll mess up.
Yes, I try not to. I try to. Yeah, double concentration.
The world sitting on top. It's going to be a shaker. This is made from the international clay mix. With all the different countries mixed now with Hungary and Germany. And it's Pyramid for Peace drum. Well, I'm trying to paint slip on here now because it's so difficult to burnish this, so I've given up for now. And I darken these. And this is my little drum. These are my organic drum forms that are So we're here across from the cultural center in Kecskemet. Nina Holt from Denmark is working on a project with assistants and students from different countries, mostly Hungarians. They've got the firebox built out of bricks. And this architectural structure will be fired right here in place.
Yeah. Ez fog repedni, ez biztos. Akkor is egy-egy valahol. 8 centire falon. Nem bírom.
Kell végre, hallom?
Az nem jó. Minden ezt most már nyom. Nyomjuk egybe, hát harmadik levegő vagy. Persze, mert nem tudtam olyan mélyre lenyomni. Mert akkor mindig ez a jövőbe. Mindenre fontos. 3 meters plus the
box is almost a meter. No, half a meter.
Yes, it'll be 3.5 meters when it's finished.
3.5 meters.
10 foot.
How's the clay feel now?
The clay seems to be very good and dry out.
really good and strong and quickly. Yeah.
Egy csomó papírt alá kerültem.
So how are you enjoying it here at Kecskemet?
It's good. It's lovely now. It's
As the snow's gone.
Yeah, no, but I enjoyed that too. It was so fresh, and every time you stepped out the door, it was so cold, and it was great.
Crisp.
It was good.
Yeah, I enjoyed it too.
Nem tudom, ilyen édes testvére, csak más a megfúvás technikája. Nem itt a befúvó nyílás, hanem így oldalt kell megfújni ezt.
Good. Thank you, pushing up. Blaze firing. It's 7 o'clock in the morning and Marianne's taking her sagger out of the kiln. It's fired to what temperature? 12,050 centigrade. You didn't put any salt in there, did you? That'll
So
toast.
does grass and wood.
Okay, let's see. I just need to get the lid off. There we go.
Ez így nagyon szép. azt én-
Got a little crack, that's okay. Let's have a look at the sun. Looks pretty black.
And it's perfect.
That's what you wanted.
That is how it should be. The glaze wasn't alright on it. It's shiny.
So you had glaze on there.
I had glaze on there, but it wasn't completely successful. It's shiny and it still works.
Piece of burnt wood.
Yeah. It should be. It's good for drawing.
Charcoal. Okay. Very good. Thank you. So the morning after the big firing, and looks like there's pretty good color. They're not cracked.
Yeah, it's good.